let's crimp my hair with me. And this is the crimper from Ikonic Professional. The titanium crimp. The plate is silver titanium. That's why it's written titanium crimp. So here is the on and off button. Here on and off, and the temperature can be rolled out till 230 degrees Celsius. You can completely roll it on and then take it anywhere. The wiring is like this long. I don't know what the length is, but it's very long. You can sit on a chair comfortably and do crimp your hair nicely. So I'm going to plug it in now, and then let's begin. I only gave it a minute, but the whole plating from here is very warm enough. So while crimping, you have to be really careful. Here are these lines you can hold from here rather than holding from here. You see these lines? Hold from here if you have to, otherwise you can just crimp normally without touching this plate if it gets too heated. Now to begin with the back of my hair. Let's get these first. You can see naturally my hair are a little wavy from below. So let's see how the crimper looks on these. I'm going to take another half section of these. Don't keep holding on to it. You just have to immediately leave it after it's crimped. I hope you can see the crimping effect a little bit. The purpose of crimping is only just this much, that it just gives you volume. Don't keep it at one place for too long. Just keep moving. After a while, you'll see a little bit of crimps here. I hope you can see a bit of crimping effect on my hair. I took this one section from here. Like, you can take one section. I'm again picking up a section.
Right here.
I have only done like one side now. This whole side I've done. These are my natural hair here without crimping. So I can only see a little bit of effect of crimps here because my hair are such, because the heat things do not stay in my hair. Like if I curl my hair also, it doesn't stay for long. But I have seen this volume coming up. This is the only purpose of crimping, to get a bit of the bounce on your hair. This one looks good. This side looks a little bouncy, but this one is still flat. Let's do the other side. I am again taking a bit of section from here, just so we need the bounce here at the C-section and the front. I haven't moved the temperature at all. I am doing it at max 230 only. So take the same as which is needed. Finally, I'm taking this last hair and we are done with crimping. This is how this looks. Like before any hairdo, be it like you getting ready for a wedding or something, you just have to crimp a little bit. Even if it doesn't show that much on your face, it just gives a little bit of bounce. That's all. This is the purpose of crimping. I usually my hair a little flat always in a day or two, but crimp does help. Hope this was helpful. Bye bye.